By 2050, 1 in every 5th Indian is going to be above 60. So mental health of our elderly is very, very important. Even today we see that senior citizens do have mental health issues, but they either go unrecognized and hence untreated. Here are the 6 reasons why today senior citizens or our elderly have mental health challenges. One is families are becoming smaller because of migrations, nuclear families, and a need for being independent, and hence children are moving out at an early age, and especially when they marry and have kids, and hence elderly people are finding themselves more and more alone versus before. 2 is the social behaviors have changed. Earlier, festivals used to be celebrated, families used to get together very frequently, people used to casually drop in and say hello, come for chai, nashta. Today all that has become very formal. You call up and go, nobody drops in accidentally, informally, and hence there is a lot of loneliness, and elderly are missing that informal connection. 3 is, of course, if these people have not raised their children with positive parenting, there is a conflict with their own children, then there is a transactional relationship between the parents and their adult children and grandchildren. So their physical and material needs are taken care of, but there is no emotional connection there. There is a disconnect with grandchildren because the elderly are finding them increasingly disconnected from technology, from the modern lifestyle, from the way the children and grandchildren are choosing to eat, wear clothes, or handle their relationships. So there is a huge disconnect because of technology and changing times. Number 5 is, of course, chronic health conditions also affects the mental health. So as our grandparents age, there is, health issues, cardiovascular issues, thyroid, arthritis, kidney issues, etc. And this does affect their mental health. Last but not the least, family conflict is also a huge cause for mental health issues. Sometimes elderly are living with their own children and grandchildren, but they are not on talking terms. There is a lot of interference, there is a lot of toxicity, a lot of verbal abuse, physical abuse, and because of this also the mental health is affected. These are the 6 reasons why the mental health of our elderly population is affected. Let us now see in the next video what we can do about it.